Hi everybody, welcome to Success Series. This is your educator Shrishti. We are going to do your polity MCQs today. This is from class 8th and chapter 7 is what I'm talking about. जहाँ पे हम लोग understanding marginalization के कुछ multiple choice questions करेंगे in order to evaluate if we are well prepared with the chapter or not. Let's begin with the session everybody. Alright everyone, I hope all of you all are doing great and this is an earnest request. Please follow our channel on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter in order to receive all academic related information as well as general trivia. Apart from that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube as well as hit on the like button if you like the videos, and do hit on the bell icon so that you are notified whenever there is any video that's out. Okay, beginning with the questions, we have question 1. Around % population of India constitutes tribals. Everybody, you're gonna participate by commenting in the comment box to this video. Write down your right answers in the given format that has been told to you. Moving to the options 10, 5, 8 or 12. So what is the percentage of population of India that consists of tribals? Okay. It is a fact-based question. You need not have any doubt. It is an easy question and the answer is option C. So 8% of Indian population are basically composed of the tribal population. Who are tribals? Tribals are basically a homogeneous group that have not been included into the mainstream by the society and they generally follow primitive methods ऑफ लिविंग. ओके, ये लोग अपने आप को न्यू कल्चर के साथ अडेप्ट नहीं किए होते हैं एंड दैट इज वाई दे फॉलो अ प्रिमिटिव मोड ऑफ लाइफ. Let's move to 2. Dash is one of the important industrial areas where Adivasis are based. Is it Chennai? Is it Belgavi? Is it Bhilai? Or is it Delhi? Everyone, time has begun. Please tell me, it's asking about industrial areas where Adivasis are based. So what should be the correct answer? It is definitely going to be option C. Bhilai is basically a place in the state of Chhattisgarh. Okay. Apart from that, Chennai, you all already know where it is located. Belgavi is a place in Karnataka and Delhi is obviously the capital of India. So coming to the industrial area where maximum Adivasis are based, it is Bhilai region of Chhattisgarh. Come to 3. Dash is home to more than 60 tribal groups. Is it Rajasthan? Is it Haryana? Is it Maharashtra? Or is it Orissa? Time has begun. Please answer in the comment box. Maintain decorum and everyone participate. Participating is very important. तभी आप गलती करोगे और फिर सीखोगे. And here the correct answer is going to be Orissa. Orissa has one of the highest tribal population in India. Okay. It is a state जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा tribes आपको देखने को मिलते हैं. Move to question 4. Dash was one of the writers who wrote on women issues during British era. Was it Kasturba Gandhi? Was it Sarojini Naidu? Was it Rajsundari Devi? Or was it Kaushalya Devi? Everyone, time has begun. Kasturba Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu, Rajsundari Devi or Kaushalya Devi? So the correct answer here is going to be option C. It is Rajsundari Devi. In the chapter we have also learnt about Ruqayya Shekhawat Hussain. Okay. She had written about Ladyland, right? And Rajsundari Devi, was it Amar Jeevan? Was it or was it not? Please find out and confirm it in the comment section. Okay, I'll be waiting for your extra answers. Let's move to 5. India has more than dash different Adivasi groups. Is it 200? Is it 350? Is it 500? Or is it 100? Everyone, Adivasis are basically an indigenous population. और इसीलिए हम लोग अटेम्प्ट करते हैं कि हम इनको सेव करके रखें, इनकी पॉपुलेशन को सेव करके रखें. So this is what it is written as. Okay, indigenous. And correct answer is going to be option C, which is 500. Let's move to 6. Adivasi societies have very little dash among them. Is it ego? Is it competition? Is it fights? Or is it hierarchy? Everyone, if you have understood the chapter तो आप समझ जाओगे. हमने social structure की बात की थी chapter में. कुछ भी problems हो रहे हैं, please chapter explanation को देखिए and then get back to this. Correct answer is definitely going to be hierarchy. Hierarchy क्या होती है? जैसे कि एक ऑफिस में बॉस रहते हैं, then you have a manager, or then you have a senior manager, you have a CEO, then you have a group of, like, you may have the board, okay, then you have the other managers, senior managers or whatever, then you have other workers, right, TLs, that way. So hierarchy मतलब जब आप एक group में divide, जब आप एक एक stage wise group कर देते हो लोगों को, that is how it is. So आदिवासीज they generally live under the primitive mode और nature worship करते हैं, nature में ही रहते हैं, forests वगैरह में. इन लोग ज़्यादा differences में believe नहीं करते, इसीलिए D आपका यहाँ पे correct answer होगा. Moving to 7, Shakti cult of Adivasis belongs to Assam, Maharashtra, Gujarat or Tamil Nadu. Very very quick, you can give this answer. बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से chapter explanation में discuss किया गया है, and the answer, as you all know, is going to be Assam. Okay, let's move to 8. In the 1830s, Adivasis from India moved to countries such as Dash to work as plantation workers. Is it China? Is it Mauritius? Is it America? Or is it United Kingdom? Time has begun. Please follow the time and then give the correct answer. In the 1830s, where did Adivasis move to in order to work as plantation workers? कंट्री यहाँ पे थी मॉरिशियस. ज़्यादा कुछ रहता नहीं है एक्सप्लेन करने को. यहाँ पे ये लोग मॉरिशियस के प्लांटेशंस में काम कर रहे थे बिकॉज दे आर इकोनॉमिकली वेरी बैकवर्ड. ओके, एंड फॉर सर्वाइवल इन्हें काम करना पड़ता है, एंड सो दे हैड मूव्ड टू मॉरिशियस लाइक एरियाज टू वर्क फॉर अ लिविंग. Move to 9. Niyamgiri hills are located in Odisha's Dash district. Is it Bhubaneswar? Is it Sambalpur? Is it Cuttack? Or is it Kalahandi? Cuttack in Orissa or Kalahandi or Bhubaneswar or Sambalpur? Niyamgiri hills in Odisha's which district? It is a famous district, and your correct answer is option D. You can find out more about these hills and also read about this district. Come to question 10. During the Dash century, the majority of Adivasis converted into Christianity. 17th, 15th, 19th or 21st. अगर आप थोड़ा सा भी सोचोगे दिमाग लगा के, तो you will be able to tell me what is the correct answer. I am not gonna remind you during which century. Obviously जब ब्रिटिशर्स थे, क्योंकि ब्रिटिशर्स क्या कर रहे थे, इनके ऊपर बहुत सारी इम्पोजिशन ला रहे थे और बहुत सारे पर्क्स दिए जा रहे थे अगर वो लोग क्रिश्चियनिटी में कन्वर्ट करें, और इसी समय मैक्सिमम आदिवासीज ने क्रिश्चियनिटी में कन्वर्ट किया था. Coming to 11, in northeast India, a majority of tribal lands remain under the control of Indian Dash. Comes to police, military, government or people. Everyone, time has begun. I think you would know the answer. Yes, if you're having any doubts, use the comment box. Okay everyone, it is going to be military. Okay, there is an act that is known as AFSPA. It is Armed Forces Special Protection Act. ये बहुत बार नॉर्थ ईस्ट रीजन्स में लागू किया जाता है जब मिलिट्री कंट्रोल कर लेती है एरिया को. दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ नक्सलिज्म एंड अदर नोटोरियस एक्टिविटीज दैट आर डोमिनेंट इन दी नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्टेट्स. अभी आपको ये सब जानने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ऑल यू नीड टू नो इज दैट करेक्ट आंसर इज मिलिट्री. बहुत सारा ट्राइबल लैंड अभी भी मिलिट्री के कंट्रोल में है नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया में. आई वॉन्ट यू ऑल टू रिमेंबर ऑल द नेम्स ऑफ द स्टेट्स दैट आर देयर इन दी नॉर्थ ईस्ट. Come to 12. There are a total of Dash national parks in India. 100, 102, 109 or 104. Time begins. Factual question. Total of how many national parks in India? How many? It is 104. Okay. Which was the first national park? Was it Jim Corbett? If it was, where is it? Where is it? Uttarakhand. Okay. What are the other major national parks? Kaziranga National Park, Assam. Alright. This way you have a lot of national parks. Rawatbhatta National Park. Okay. Many national parks are there. There are total, all in all, 104 national parks in India. Come to 13. -% of tribal groups from rural India are currently living below the poverty line. Is it 48? Is it 42? Is it 46? Or is it 44? You might not remember this fact. If you do not, then please learn it from here. It is quite important. -% of tribal groups from rural India are currently living below the poverty line. A. So इससे आपको क्या पता चलता है कि ये marginalized community है. एक तो socially marginalized है. Marginalized मतलब दूर रखना, अलग रखना, और economically भी marginalized है क्योंकि लोग grow कर गए but इनकी income group अभी तक नहीं बदली. Okay, pattern shift नहीं हुआ. According to the census of 2011, Muslims constitute -% of Indian population. 14.2, 14.5, 14.9 or 14.7. Everyone be quick to answer this. Be quick. We are talking about the census. What is census? Census tells you about the population structure of any given nation. पढ़ा है हमने. हर 10 years में conduct किया जाता है. Next census is going to happen in 2021. 2011 में हुआ था. 10 years के gap में होता है. So it will be 2021. And correct answer here is going to be option A. Demographic structure आपको census के द्वारा पता चलती है. Coming to meaning of marginalization, what is it? Forced to occupy the fringes or the sides, at the center of certain things, both A and B or none of these. Very very easy question. Essence of the chapter. ये वाला गलत करोगे तो फिर तो भाई दिक्कत है. फिर तो आपको चैप्टर फिर से पढ़ना बहुत ज़रूरी है. मार्जिनलाइजेशन इज़ द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर. इट मीन्स कि जब आपको साइड्स ऑक्यूपाई करना पड़ता है, जैसे कि ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि का एग्जाम्पल हमने देखा था क्लास 7 वाली SST बुक में, राइट. उनको क्या कर दिया गया था? फ्रिंजेस में रख दिया गया था. स्कूल में अलग से बैठाया जाता था. मार्जिनलाइज कर दिया गया था, जैसे कि इन जनरल दलित पॉपुलेशन को किया जाता है इन इंडिया में, राइट. सो कास्ट बेस्ड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, मार्जिनलाइजेशन. सेंटर में तो ये लोग कभी रहते नहीं हैं, साइड्स और फ्रिंजेस में ही ऑक्यूपाई करते हैं. लेट्स मूव टू 16. हु आर आदिवासीज? ओरिजिनल हैबिटेंट्स, ट्राइबल्स, बोथ A and B, या फिर अदर देन गिवन ऑप्शन. आदिवासीज कौन होते हैं? We talked about marginalized groups. There we spoke about आदिवासीज being a marginalized group. But who are they? अगर आपने अच्छे से पढ़ा है तो ये C होता है, बिकॉज एक तो ये लोग ओरिजिनल ड्वेलर्स होते हैं एक एरिया के, और इसीलिए वो लोग आज तक वहाँ पे रहते हैं. और दूसरा ये है कि इनको ट्राइबल्स के नाम से भी पुकारा जाता है. सो बोथ ऑफ दीज आर करेक्ट. लेकिन ये लोग ओरिजिनल थे, इसके बावजूद भी इनको हटाया जाता है अपने एरिया से और रिहैबिलिटेट करने को कहा जाता है. दैट मीन्स सेटल इन डिफरेंट एरियाज. इसीलिए ये लोग बहुत बार प्रोटेस्ट्स में राइज किए हैं ड्यूरिंग ब्रिटिश टाइम्स एंड इवन आफ्टरवर्ड्स. ओके, मूव टू 17. द टर्म scheduled tribe is used for आदिवासीज, अर्बन पीपल, रूरल पीपल और पुअर पीपल. अभी बता दिया आंसर, तो टाइम की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. यू मस्ट बी एबल टू से इट एट अ गो, एट जस्ट वन गो. टर्म scheduled tribe is used for who? It is definitely going to be Adivasis, right? Term scheduled tribe refers to Adivasis. Government इनको STs करके बोलती है और इनको reservations भी provide करती हैं. ओके, कैटेगराइज इसलिए किया है क्योंकि हिस्टोरिकली सोशली इनको बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्क्रिमिनेशन फेस करना पड़ा है. सो इन ऑर्डर टू ब्रिंग देम एट पार विद द जनरल पॉपुलेशन, इसीलिए इनको SCs STs में क्लासीफाई कर दिया जाता है एंड देन दे आर गिवन सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ बेनिफिट्स. मूव टू क्वेश्चन 18. नियमगिरी इज अ सेक्रेड हिल ऑफ आदिवासीज, क्रिश्चियंस, सिख्स और मुस्लिम्स. Time begins. Time begins. Yes, about to end. Okay, 1 second to go. Yes, everyone. करेक्ट आंसर पहले भी पढ़ लिया, ओडिशा के बारे में पढ़ा था, सबसे ज़्यादा ट्राइबल ग्रुप्स है, और नियमगिरी इनका एक सीक्रेट हिल है। सीक्रेट मीन्स रिलीजियस स्पॉट, जिसकी मान्यता होती है, राइट। सीक्रेट, दे कंसिडर इट टू बी ऑस्पिशियस, लकी, गुड लक। ओके, मूव टू 19. Who are minorities? Is it community that is large in number, community that is small in number, both A and B, or none of these? Time has begun. Who are minorities? Large in number, small in number, both A and B, none of these. Okay everyone, correct answer is option B, minority है भाई, minority। क्लास में माइनॉरिटी लोगों ने, माइनॉरिटी पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द क्लास और minority students in the class voted for something, that means less people. Okay, majority is when you have the ruling, that means you have more people. Coming to 20, as per census 2001, dash is the religious group with lowest literacy rate. यहाँ पे education की बात हो रही है, हिंदू, सिख, मुस्लिम्स और क्रिश्चियंस। Everyone, time has begun. This is the last question. I hope you all give me the correct answer. Easy question है। Yes. All right, time has ended and the correct answer is Muslim. इसीलिए हमने एक स्टीरियोटाइप की केस स्टडी भी पढ़ी थी, जहाँ पे हमने देखा था कि it's not because of religion that they don't send female children to school. It is because of poverty. और इनकी लिटरेसी रेट बहुत ज़्यादा कम है। सो मुस्लिम इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर। विद दैट वी कम टू द एंड ऑफ दिस सेशन। आई होप you had a good time and you also learned new things. Thank you so much for staying connected to us every time that we post a video, and do hit on the like button if you like these lessons. Please follow our channel on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter to receive more updates, and definitely on YouTube because all the classes come about here. You can also check other relevant links in the description box, and hoping to see you with the next set of lessons. Take care. Bye bye.